Howdy. Today's vlog is starting at 11:19 a.m. Currently west of Portland right now, heading to go on a hike. I was up at the fam's house in Washington for about 2.5 weeks-ish. Holidays, finishing up all the Patreon stuff, which is launched now and has gone great. And now it just feels really good to be back on the road. I was getting super bored of one place. I gotta focus on driving. As I was saying, I was just getting bored with one place. Today I woke up at like 5. When I was at the house, I was waking up at like 9. I just like hated that feeling. I've been super active. I've been eating way better. This is from Veggie Grill. I feel way better. I'm like definitely way more active. I'm hiking, I'm prioritizing being outside and taking time to myself, reading, thinking. I've been writing a ton. It's been sick. Damn it. Oh, back to the idea of eating healthy. Lately I've been just like not eating junk food. Like I was at a few Christmas things and friends' houses over the holidays and they had cookies and like my parents made brownies while I was at the house and I didn't eat like any of it, which is freaking insane for me. Some of you like, you might be like, big freaking whoop, but for me that's freaking huge. Brownies in the kitchen, half the pan's gone. Like I had no self-control, but lately I've just been disciplining, being mindful. I just have not indulged. And something just clicked in my brain. I'm killing it. So, got word that the trail's pretty muddy. It's pretty windy and pretty rainy at the top, but should be good. One big thing I want to be stressing on these vlogs, how to responsibly enjoy and learn from the outdoors. Right now it's like more important than ever, especially with national park closures and all that. Damn. It's just important to take care of like this nature around us. It's beautiful, it's medicinal, it has a lot of lessons to teach us, and it just sucks that we have leaders in our country that don't really think so and want to close down land for profit. Short-term gain for long-term destruction. It just sucks. Like, not to Debbie down on these vlogs and make them sad or anything, but it's just something that needs to be addressed and, you know, help sustain these beautiful places, help keep them beautiful, are really important to take note of, and I hope I can display. Oh my God, I can't talk and do this. I'm hoping to be a good example for that.
Ah! Humbug.
Humbug. 1 mile. Shout out to whoever put a picnic table at mile 1. I might have mentioned this earlier, but the past like month and a half I've been prioritizing. It's so windy, I'm sorry. I've been prioritizing just getting outside, being active, just like doing stuff, and it's been awesome. Before I was out on the road, I was just prioritizing working on my computer a lot. And really, since I did the Wonderland Trail in like early July, I just have not been outside enough. Here we are, I'm out here doing it by myself in the woods, just having a blessed time. It's just so medicinal, as I already said, but it just puts me in a way better mood. Waking up early, getting some work done, and then going and like doing something right after that, like skating, hiking, running, whatever it may be. And I feel like since I've added that into my day, like even though I'm doing more, I'm getting way more. Even though I'm adding more into my day, I'm getting way more done than I did when I had less in my day, because I would waste time on this, waste time on that, but let me catch my breath. I still gotta get this hiking and talking thing down. Basically what I'm trying to say is that it leaves no time to waste time on my phone, and it's life-changing. Sorry, this vlog is just me rambling. We're getting up there. It's getting to that part where it's a little more rainy. It's a beaut. Look how dope that is. See, this is why I don't hike alone, because when I see this, I see how I could put people in the frame, not just take a frame of the landscape. I haven't went out to shoot just landscapes for like ages. I just love photographing people, whether they're small in frame, big in frame. Something about adding a human element to outdoors that makes it so relatable. Where are my people at? It's all good though, I've done this hike before. I have photos of people up here. I've rambled too much this vlog. I want to stop talking until I reach the top. view. All right, we're at the top. Still got a little bit of trail left. Conditions aren't great, but they're also not dangerous. There's the saddle, and the top's kind of beyond this. Wow, look at this. It's so pretty. Hopefully it'll clear up. So I'm on the other side of the mountain where it's not windy, and it's so quiet. You can hear wind back there maybe, but it's really quiet right here. And look how ominous this looks. Well, I was hoping it would clear up and make a cool time lapse, but I guess not. It's like right there, it's huge, but you can't see it. We're literally in just like a big cloud right now. And look, snow. Almost there. It's breaking apart a little bit. Kind of cool. We made it! And just look at this view. Oh man. Oh, brilliant. So it broke up a little bit. Oh man, that is sick. Oh, gee whiz. Unreal. We made it. I was a pretty bad Boy Scout today. I brought no food, no water. I brought my phone for a flashlight instead of a headlamp. And worst of all, I wore jeans in the rain. Bad Boy Scout today. Next day. So I went surfing this morning. It was really bad, but any day in the water is a good day. No complaints. My whole life is kind of in this zone, and I could probably get rid of half of it still. It's pretty sick. So this vlog's pretty much over now, but I just wanted to say thank you for those who have started supporting the Patreon. It's been out for like a week or so. I'm already excited. Like I've been already putting some stuff up there. Few editing episodes, few behind the scenes episodes, a rough draft for a pitch deck I'm gonna be doing over the next bit. And it just excites me because it's like stuff I'd be doing, but now I get to give value back. And so I just wanna say thanks a ton for supporting me in that and for supporting what I'm doing, because it's like really the first time in 4 years that I've had something stable, like something consistent, like a consistent income off something. So it's just nice. It's just nice knowing that something is there, like something in my life is consistent. Like it's a weird thought. Like I haven't had that for 4 years. It's weird. I love it though, and it helps me kind of push forward on things, and it's a great way for me to give value back to all those who decide to support it. So once again, thank you for that. There's also a couple free episodes I shared earlier last week. Yeah, this vlog was probably just a bunch of me rambling about this and that, but that ends here. Thanks again. Good to have you guys, and stoked to be doing more of these. I hope it brings value and inspiration to whatever you may be doing. Deuces.